set sail with Captain Morgan, but we'll never leave dry land. I feel like I should have started with one. Yeah, I gotta put it in this bowl. This is awkward.
Is this not the song you wanted?
It's karaoke version. Oh, nope, this is not what I wanted. I do not want, do you like pina coladas?
Oh, shit.
I want, so bring me two pina coladas. I want one for each hand. Is this it? Are you it? Let's go to the chorus, bastard. Okay. Okay, that's boring as fuck. Okay, we're ditching this bastard and we're listening to Lil Wayne, sorry. Sorry, not sorry.
God damn it, why is Trenton sleeping right now?
Because... Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, yes. Yes, we're listening to this, obviously. Yeah, why is Ginger asleep? Oh, that's fine.
Are they done?
Look at that mess. It's a good thing I didn't sink. So I guess I'm gonna clean?
Shit!
I'm gonna clean some of this.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
I wasn't supposed to, I'm not done beating shit like an idiot.
Oh, I heard that you beat it up.
Okay, this tastes great.
Okay. So we're getting rid of this fucker.
You didn't love it? I'm just gonna see if we can do it with beating it in.
Who for makeup, who for makeup, motherfucker, cause all these bullshits make us jump, motherfucker, so I pick a word up, drop it on your fucking head. Gucci, Gucci. Are we done with all this mixing shit?
Mm-hmm.
We're real niggers say. Motherfucker, I'm gone. Just hope you have it set and your hair proof. You ratchet rag. Ooh, that was fucking not dry. That's what he said. Fine.
Doesn't he want to say that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
What would it surprise him by how not dry it was?
Oh, that's so awkward.
Bitch, I'ma pick the word up and I'ma drop it on your fucking head.
Oh, look at that nasty rag.
Woo! I'm gone. Motherfucker, I'm gone. Ew. Gooey. So gooey. Wanna come over and I'll squirt goo out of your wee wee? trying to do this right now. Clean. More. Okay, enough. Get it, Marshall. Get it. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, caramba. I'm gone. Motherfucker, I'm gone. I'm good. I bet Trinity hates us. We're so loud. We're so loud. It's over. Hey, hiccups.
Oh, that was a lot of chocolate chips, wasn't it?
Alrighty, chat.
Your things were just like sticking out. It's fine.
Yeah.
Bring the action.
Turn this shit up, please.
I'm sorry.
Well, I had it up and then you